Hello folks, welcome to another of our Taste Buds episode. Have you ever been in the supermarket and seen those little package of frozen seafood mix? Have you ever thought to yourself, what can I do with it? Well, today on Yardie Belly's TV, we will be making a curry seafood mix, and it's going to be an awesome thing. If you want to see how we made this, please join us right away as we continue this program.
Yeah, Bonnet and Rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming.
The first item we have here is we have a pack of seafood. Turn my heat on, medium, over there, and allow this to toast for just a couple of minutes, quick minutes, yeah? And then we're gonna add the oil. And you can see a little bit of heat coming up off the ingredients now. This is when you want to just mix them in a little bit. You start to smell it in the room. Then you know it's toasted nice. This is where you want to add your oil. I'm adding coconut oil for this purpose, guys. And this is about 2 or 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And you want to mix in your curry and allow this to toast a little bit. Smells so good. Smells so good, guys. You can use other oils, but the coconut oil is the best. And then right after you've got to that stage, you want to add in your onions. And you want to add in your garlic. And you just saute that for a couple of minutes. So this has been going for a couple of seconds, almost a minute, and you want to add your seafood mix. added a little bit more water, and now I'm just gonna put in my okra. And guys, this is just my little take on it. This is not supposed to be a part of it, but I like okras, and because I'm not eating a lot of rice, adding my okras. So our seafood mix has been going now for the last maybe 30 minutes. Now we're gonna add in our shrimp. And guys, once the shrimp go in and the shrimp cook, the next 10 minutes, the shrimp and the scallop is gonna be cooked, and we can turn this off because you don't want them to get tough. All right. And the curry tastes so good already, guys. It tastes so good. And there you have it. And just allow this to do its thing, simmer down nicely, and then you're good to go. You have to add some Old Bay. Old Bay is great on seafood. And if you notice, I have not added any salt because the Old Bay have enough salt. Okay, so look at this, guys. After just a couple of minutes, look at that, look at that. And now I have some cilantro and some green onions, and I'm just gonna roll off the cilantro a little bit and add all of the green onions first. Beautiful. And then you just want to add your cilantro to your seafood curry. And guys, this is a beautiful way how to utilize your seafood mix with just a little shrimp. Yeah, and you're good to go. Look at that. How it look, Josh?
Looks good. It's pretty.
And the final thing, the final thing that I want to do is to just drizzle a little bit more coconut oil in this, just to finish it up, because I'm not using no butter. It's a little coconut oil. That's it. Yeah. Food ready. So here we have the finished dish, guys. My seafood medley curried down nicely with the addition of some shrimp and a little bit of scallop. I have some brown rice on the side there and some broccoli spears. And guys, I cannot tell you how good this looks. The house smells divine. The curry is just banging right now. Trust me. You too can try this in your neck of the woods. And remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV is on, and we're cooking good food, and it's coming your way. Once again, remember to tune in, yes, to our different posts on YouTube. And you can follow us on Instagram as well, Yardie Belly TV. For now, this is good, and it's goodbye. From Taste Buds, this is yours truly, Reverend Saint Hope, and this is why Yardie Belly TV. Curry, seafood, looks so good. Curry, seafood, looks so good.